Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about soft life business ideas you can do to make money this year. All right, so in one of our videos, we spoke about dirty businesses you can do to make money. And guess what? So many people didn't like it because the business ideas were really, really dirty, but it was very, very profitable. As many as delved into it made loads and loads of money from it. Okay, so if you're interested, go and check it out. Dirty business ideas you can do to make money. Alright, so today I'll be telling you business ideas you can do the soft way. Alright, baby girl business ideas that you can do with your swag intact. Okay, very demure. Alright, okay. So, my superstars, the business ideas I'm about to share with you, some of it you will just need to put in an initial work. Okay, and then after it's done, you keep earning from it for the rest of your life. You can be sipping wine on one beach somewhere and then be receiving alerts, okay? While others are very easy to do business ideas that you can do it from the comfort of your home, the soft and baby girl like way, sipping your wine and working and making good money from it. All right, my superstar, so stay with me. All right, so number one on the list is social media management. Okay, so you would agree with me that so many businesses are taking their social media platforms seriously. So many people are putting in the work on their social media platforms. They're creating content, they're writing posts, engaging posts. Okay, they are answering to comments from followers and all that. So that is where you can come in as a social media manager. You manage the page of content creators, of big celebrities, of business owners, and then get paid. Some of these celebrities, business owners, and all that, they are very, very busy. They don't have the time to sit down and create content. They don't have the time to write engaging content and post it on their page. They don't have time to engage with their followers. So they pay people to take care of this their page, to manage their page for them. That's where you hear things like handler. All right, they call people who handle social media pages handlers. Okay, these people handle their social media pages and get paid. So you can be a social media manager or a handler and make money anywhere in the world. All you have to do is wake up in the morning, sit down, create posts. Okay, they could send some videos to you of their events and all that, and you edit it and do the voiceover and then post it for them on their social media platforms. All right, so if you need me to do a more detailed video on social media management, let me know in the comment section. But basically, you handle the pages of celebrities, business owners, and people who don't have time to manage their social media pages and get paid. All right, you can do this anywhere with your data and your laptop or phone and then make your money. All right. So number two on my list is a content creation studio. I suppose that so many people are going into content creation. We have so many content creation platforms and people are creating content to make money. All right, so if you own a content creation studio, well equipped content creation studio, well designed, decorated with light, electricity, all right, well ventilated, people can come in and create their content. There's so many people who don't have beautiful content spaces, all right, they don't have places to display their goods beautifully. So if you have a content creation studio, they can come in and pay for sessions like 30 minutes, 1 hour, all right, and then use that space to create their content. All right, so if you own one, and I know of someone who owns a place like that in Abuja, all right, so many people are coming up with places like that. So you can open a place like that and then monitor the business. Whenever people book, they book pay money directly into your account. All right, you could have someone who oversees it while you sit down and sip your juice somewhere and be receiving alerts whenever people book your content creation studio. All right, my superstars, that is the very girl kind of business. You don't do any work, you don't lift any finger. All right, people manage the place for you. You monitor and get your money. All right, okay. So number three on the list is digital products. All right. So digital products are products that you can sell to make money. It could be intellectual, mostly intellectual products. If you know how to cook, you can come up with a cookbook, create content, make video content on how you cook different meals, and then package it into a digital product and sell it on different platforms. You can also decide to write a book. It's also a digital product, and then host it, sell it on different platforms and make money. So for these digital products, all you do is put in the initial work, like creating content, making videos while you're cooking or sewing, or like when I used to make shoes, you could make videos of making shoes and all that, and then package it together into a course and sell it on platforms. Okay, so all you do is just the initial work, like making the videos or writing the books. After that, you keep earning for the rest of your life. So far, it's on that platform. People see it, people have access to it. As many as buy that book, that digital book or digital video product, you make money from it for the rest of your life. All right. So that's how it works. You live the soft life, the baby girl life. You can be on vacation somewhere and be making money. All right. Before we continue, have you given me a thumbs up? Have you liked this video? Please take a second, hit that like button. That's all I ask of you. Thank you. Let's continue. So, number four on my list is perfumes. Yes, perfumes is something that so many people use now. So many people have become aware that they need to have nice scents. Okay, they need to smell good. All right, because people have been hammering people a lot. So people are investing into perfumes, designer perfumes, different perfumes, and all that. So you can make money from sales of perfumes, designer perfumes. And there's this new type of perfumes that people sell. Okay, probably big shops outside the country. Maybe the pack was destroyed, pack of the designer perfume was destroyed. They can't sell it to their big customers. So they give it at discounted rate to some people who now bring it and sell it to people who in turn sell it to people. Okay, but the summary of the whole thing is that it's a designer perfume, an original designer perfume, but the pack or maybe the cover must have gotten spoiled, so they sold it at a giveaway price. So you discover that a very expensive designer perfume that naturally would have cost like 500,000 naira is sold at about 200,000 naira. Same quality, same fragrance, everything intact, just that the packet is probably torn or the cover must have fallen and broken, and then that is it. So you can sell these designer perfumes and make money, or whatever perfume you want to sell, you can sell it and make money. All you have to do is advertise on your social media platforms. You don't need to you don't need to go walking from shop to shop to advertise. No, all you do is sit in your house in the comfort of your home, be sipping your wine the soft way, and be put- writing your content and advertising it. And whenever people need it, they pay, you send it, a dispatch rider picks it up and delivers. All right, so that's the soft way to make money. Very easy and all that. Easy peasy, like they say. All right. Okay, so last on my list is drop shipping. Drop shipping is a great way you can make money the baby girl way. All right. Drop shipping is simply being like a middleman between the buyer and the seller. Okay, so whatever product it is you want to sell, you can advertise it on your social media platform. You don't have to have a physical product. You can take pictures from the seller and advertise it. And whenever there's an order, you take your own part and then give the money to the seller, who in turn delivers the goods to the buyer. So you don't do anything. All you do is just sit anywhere in the comfort of your home, anywhere. You might even be on your bed and just be pressing, posting on your social media platform, on your WhatsApp. And before you know it, anyone buys, you send the order to the seller. Voila, you have your money. All right, my superstars. So these are soft, easy baby girl ways, very demure, okay? No, very demure way to make money. No stress at all. No stress at all. All right, my superstars, which of these business ideas will you be trying? Let me know in the comment section. In the meantime, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you. Okay, I'll leave the link to the dirty business ideas you can do to make money. You need to watch it. You really need to. If you didn't, okay, I'll leave the link in the description box. Go and check it out. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.